Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Gmail ID password on mobile. So, click on Gmail. After clicking, Gmail will open in front of you. Once it's open, go to the left side of your mobile screen and click on the three lines. After clicking, a menu will open. In this menu, just scroll to the end. You will see a pattern of settings. Click on it. After clicking, a new menu will appear. Here, choose your account. After that, a new menu will open. Click on Manage your Google account. After clicking, a new menu will open in a few seconds. Once it's open, just scroll right from here. After scrolling, click on the Security button. After clicking, a new menu will appear. Here, scroll down to the end. You will see a button for Password Manager. Click on it. After clicking, a new menu will open. You can see this is the section of gmail.com. Click on it. After clicking, a new menu will open. In this menu, just write your mobile password. After writing, your Gmail password will be visible to you. That's the way to check your Gmail ID password on mobile. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.